How long is this hike?
Wait, what's the name of it again?
Pinhoti.
Pinhoti. It's 156 miles.
156 miles. Do you have enough water?
I got this. That's all we need.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are
Grassroots Living.
And this is how we live our love.
$56 miles.
156 miles. Do you have enough water?
I got this. That's all we need.
Okay. We're in Georgia. We're on Pinhoti Trail.
Right.
Anything you want to tell them?
It's just to the north of Calhoun, Georgia. And can you do a little visual so they can get an idea of what this looks like?
My son and daughter-in-law. She's trying to get out of the picture. No, we'll give them lots of video as we go.
All right. Anyhow, absolutely gorgeous here. Looking forward to it. And we'll take you along.
Let's go.
Place for you to hitch up the horses.
No, it is.
I know, that's what I said.
Yeah, because you can have horses or bikes or shoes. I have shoes.
This would be a fun little bike trail if you had a real good mountain bike.
Yeah. Are you girls gonna put a rock on the pile?
I guess they might. I don't know. We didn't know that was
It's a heavy one though. Oh, you got 2 rocks.
I set out on a road that I built with my own 2 hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be.
You want to turn and say hi?
Honey, we're not like the others. No
JC,
reason
you want to say hi?
In my ventures, they brought me to places I'd never been.
Bye.
You can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin.
What'd you guys find?
All right, so down here, we've got a cute little waterproof container.
So you were just hiking. How did you find it?
No, it's just, we came up here to get to the top of the ridge to see through the other side.
Okay.
And this was just hiding back here behind this little rock.
And it has $1 million in it.
something better than $1 million. It's got cards to a YouTube channel.
Oh, cool. Who is it?
All right, so it's called Pride in the Wilderness. Anyhow, in here are a lot of his cards. There's a little notepad here where people have just been writing comments anytime they find it and see it. And what a great little way to share your YouTube channel. We might have to start something like this.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we're back down. I think we only hiked maybe a half a mile up, do you
I
think?
think it might be longer than that.
We didn't hike very far. It's a pretty little trail. If you hear traffic in the background, we do start right by the highway, but once you get on the trail, you don't hear it at all.
Yeah, you don't hear anything at all.
And like I said, it's a very long trail, 120 some, I guess, miles we said at the beginning.
Or longer.
Yeah, and we just did a tiny little piece of it. We're near Calhoun, Georgia. I can tell you about this piece of the trail, besides the fact that it's pretty, is that if you are prone to rolling an ankle, do go ahead and wear hiking boots that'll support your ankle because it's a little bit rocky. But yeah, pretty little trail. We saw a sweet little family. We'll show you those two little girls putting a rock up on the little rock pile at the top where we stopped. And so yeah, get out and go hiking today. We're on our way to go see Grandma. Yeah?
There we are.
Let's go.